The slope is minus 4 by 5.
Slope is minus 4 by 5. No. Just check here. If you want equation of this line, let this is point A, this is B, this is C. If I want the equation of line AC, is the point known on it? क्या इस लाइन के ऊपर आपके पास एक पॉइंट है? बिल्कुल है. 3, -1 is the point on AC. And now one more thing needed, the slope. Can you get the slope of this line? दो पॉइंट है इसके ऊपर स्लोप निकालने के लिए. Let this point I'll take D. So I calculate slope of BD. Slope of BD is 3 minus 0 by minus 2 minus 0. It will be minus of 3 by 2. And if slope of BD is known, slope of AC can be calculated. It is perpendicular to it. So what is slope of AC now?
2 by
Reciprocal of it with opposite sign, to 2 by 3. Yes or no? That means what is equation of AC now? What it will come? Y minus y1, so plus 1. M is what? 2 by 3. X minus 3. Or when you solve it, it will come 3y plus 3 will be 2x minus 6. Or I should say 2x minus 3y. Minus 9 coming 0. This is one line. Now I want this line to be calculated, that is BC. क्योंकि मुझे ये intersection चाहिए, तो एक तो ये निकालेंगे, एक line ये निकालेंगे. This line is passing through minus 2, 3, and it is perpendicular to this line or no? इसको हम E ले लें तो slope of AD calculate.
-1.
Slope of AE now I calculate. Slope of AE will be what? -1 minus 0 by 3 minus 0. It will come -1 by 3.
3 over.
And here we want the equation of this line. Point is here, so we will say y minus y1, 3. -1 by 3 x
Sir, ये
plus 2.
-1 by 3 तो A का slope है, तो BC का तो 3 होगा ना.
Okay, slope of BC निकालना है तो ये slope होगा 3. तो यहाँ 3 लिखा जाएगा. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Right? Then equation come out to be y minus 3 will be 3x plus 6. Right or no? And then when you solve it, it will come 3x minus y
minus
equal to 0. Now you have two lines.
plus 9 होगा उसका minus.
ये इधर आएगा तो plus 9 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now I have this line and this line. So can you get the third vertex? Find out please. 3x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Then here we will multiply this by 2. This will multiply with 3. So I got it 6x minus 2y plus of 18 coming 0. 6x minus 9y minus 18 come out to be 0.
Sir, minus 18 to 27.
Okay, 27 over, right. Solve it now. Minus plus plus. कितना हुआ? This is cancel out. 7y.
45.
This is 27 plus 18. 45? 45. So y comes out to be minus 45 by 7. Then you want x. तो x एक इक्वेशन में डाल देते हैं. 3x minus y, तो ये हो गया plus of 45 by 7 plus of 9 come out to be 0. So I got it 3x plus 7 is the LCM. 45 plus 9, 7, 63. then what I get here, thrice of x will be minus. Kitna ho gayi? 108 by 7. Then 3, 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. So minus 36 by 7. So the coordinate is minus 36 by 7 and minus 45 by 7. Now write down next one, condition of concurrent lines. Next topic please. Condition for concurrent lines. Write down 3 or more lines are said to be concurrent, if they pass through the same point of intersection. If they pass through the same point of intersection. More than 3 lines or 3 lines, minimum 3 lines must be there. 2 lines are going to intersect automatically if they are not parallel, we know it. So if we have 3 or more lines, if they are passing through the same point of intersection, this is called concurrent lines. So concurrent lines means the lines passing through the same point of intersection. And how to check the lines are concurrent or not, what we do here in this case, when 3 lines will be given and they ask that they are concurrent or not, they are passing through the same point or not, what I'll do, I'll take intersection of any 2 lines. पहले आप 2 का intersection निकालो, जो intersection इन 2 का आएगा वो तीसरी से भी pass होना चाहिए. The third line must also pass through the same point, then they are called as concurrent lines. So in concurrent, what we are going to do, find out intersection of any 2 lines. Whatever intersection will come from that third line must pass, or third line must satisfy that point. That means all the 3 passing through the same point, we will say they are concurrent lines. Right question please. Prove that the lines 3x plus y minus 14 equal to 0, x minus 2y equal to 0, and 3x minus 8y plus 4 equal to 0 are concurrent lines. Prove that these 3 lines are concurrent lines. Prove that these 3 lines are concurrent lines. So what I do here in this case, take any 2 lines, find out their intersection and check whether it satisfies the third or not. कौन सी 2 लाइन लूं बोलो?
Sir, first 2 लें.
फर्स्ट 2 ले लें, चलिए ठीक है. फर्स्ट थर्ड भी ले सकते हो क्योंकि इसमें ये कट रहा है.
Sir,
This is the first line. I am taking third here. Well, anything you can take, that is your choice. When take minus, this is plus, this is minus.
4,
Cancel out, it will come 9 of y minus of 18 comes out to be 0. So y is coming 2.
and x.
Y, when you put 2, it will come 3x plus 2 minus 14 is coming 0. So 3x comes out to be 12, x is coming 4. Right? That means these 2 lines, if I take, they are passing through which point? 4, 2. And check whether the third line passing through it or no. We have the third equation, x minus 2y 0. And we will satisfy 4, 2. When you put it, what it will come? X is 4, y will be 2 into 2, coming 0. Yes or no? Yes, 0 equal to 0.
4, 2.
Yes, so we will say yes, all the three lines are concurrent. And what is their point of intersection? That will be 4, 2. Next question, please. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. If the lines 3x minus 4y minus 13 equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y plus lambda equal to 0 are concurrent. These three lines are concurrent. Find out what should be lambda. Concurrent means all must pass through the same point. तो क्या करें? First two से intersection निकालो, तीसरे में satisfy कर दो. You will get your lambda. What is the intersection of first two?
y minus 5.
Yes, what is the intersection of these two?
Sir, 11, 5. 11, 5.
11, 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the intersection point is coming 11, 5 of these two. Then as the lines are concurrent, 11, 5 will satisfy here. 11, 5 satisfy, तो ये हो गया 22 minus of 15 plus lambda comes out to be 0. What it will come? 7 plus lambda coming 0. Lambda is coming minus of 7. Next question, please. Find the condition. Find the condition that the lines y is equal to m1x plus c1, y is equal to m2x plus c2, and y is equal to m3x plus c3 are concurrent. Are concurrent.
Sir, y points.
Yes, please. तीनों लाइन आपकी कॉन्करेंट है, आपको प्रूव करना है. You have to prove that these three lines are concurrent.
सर तीनों में x और y मतलब एक ही है तो फिर तो concurrent है.
Yes, so if they want concurrent means यहाँ से दो से intersection निकालो, जो intersection आएगा वो तीसरे में place कर दो, you will get a relation. Relation का मतलब you want a relation between m1, m2, m3, x and y should not be there. Condition का मतलब होता है you want some relation between the constants. So first find out what is intersection of first two. Minus, minus and minus, y gone 0.
x minus m2
m1 minus m2x plus c1 minus c2, यही होगा?
yes.
So x comes out to be c2 minus c1 by m1 minus m2. As you got x, we got y also now. y is equal to m1 x means c2 minus c1 by m1 minus m2 plus of c1. इसको आप और चाहो तो सॉल्व कर लो थोड़ा सा. m1 minus m2 is here, so we get it m1 c2 minus m1 c1 plus m1 c1 minus m2 c1. ये दोनों टर्म कट रही है. So I get it m1 c2 minus m2 c1 by m1 minus m2 is your y coordinate. And now I will place this in the third equation. थर्ड इक्वेशन में अगर सेटिस्फाई करेंगे तो ये तो रिजल्ट आएगा m1 c2 minus m2 c1 by m1 minus m2 is y is equal to m3 into x is what? c2 minus c1 by m1 minus m2 and then plus of c1. This is called condition for concurrent lines. इसको आप थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई और कर सकते हो उसमें, क्योंकि टर्म कट जाएंगी, m1 minus m2 कट जाएगा, बट इट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्करेंट. तो दिया है क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन सेज दे आर कॉन्करेंट, यू शुड फाइंड आउट द कंडीशन. तो ये तो आपको ग्रांट करके चलना है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेटिस्फाइंग थर्ड कंडीशन हियर. जो दूसरा पॉइंट आया आपका 2 से, उसको हमने तीसरे में सेटिस्फाई किया, बिकॉज ही इज सेइंग व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर व्हिच इट विल कॉन्करेंट. सो कॉन्करेंट अगर आपको चाहिए तो ये कंडीशन आई. इसको और थोड़ा सॉल्व कर लो. Here we'll take LCM as m1 minus m2. So we got it m3 c2 minus m3 c1 plus m1 c1 minus m2 c1. ये पार्ट पूरा गया.
m2 c1
कट सकता है क्या? ये रहा m2 c1 और ये रहा m2 c1, तो ये भी हमारा कट रहा है. बिल्कुल ठीक. बस बाकी कुछ नहीं. इस टर्म को उधर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. तो I got it m1 c2 minus m1 c1 equal to, यहाँ m3 कॉमन आ रहा है, c2 minus c1.
यहाँ पे भी सर c2,
यहाँ पे आ रहा है m1 minus m1 कॉमन, तो ये भी c2 minus c1 आ रहा है. ये दोनों कंडीशन कैंसिल, यू गेट योर आंसर m1 is equal to m3. कहीं कोई गलती तो नहीं की है, ये चेक कर लेना भाई. कोई गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये कुछ कंडीशन मुझे गलत लग रही है. कहीं कोई कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक हुई है, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. m2 c1
मेरे हिसाब से
y की वैल्यू क्या थी बोलो. हाँ, y की वैल्यू बताओ जरा, एक बार चेक कर लो भाई इस क्वेश्चन को. चेक वंस मोर, नो प्रॉब्लम हियर. कोऑर्डिनेट ही तो चेंज होने, और तो कुछ होना नहीं है. हाँ, गलती ये रही, देखो, इट शुड बी c3.
हाँ सर c3.
अरे भाई थर्ड इक्वेशन में डाल रहे हो तो ये गलत हो गया ना. कंडीशन यहाँ गड़बड़ हुई है, आप लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, इसलिए फर्क आया है. m1 c2 minus m2 c1 by m1 minus m2, and this is come out to be m1 minus m2 is our LCM, so it will be m3 c2 minus c1 plus c3 m1 minus m2. then it cancel out. ये अब आपका टर्म बचेगा, इसमें अब कुछ नहीं घट रहा है. I get it m1 c2 minus m2 c1 minus m3 c2 plus m3 c1, then minus of m1 c3 plus of m2 c3, 0. These two term you take together, क्योंकि इसमें से m1 कॉमन आ रहा है, तो it will come c2 minus c3 sorry. Then m2 की एक टर्म ये रही और एक m2 की ये रही, so m2 c3 minus c1, और फिर m3 की ये रही c1 minus c2. This must be the answer here. So now you should complete till exercise 23.11. Now only very small topic left, that is the perpendicular distance calculation plus some miscellaneous questions. इसके बाद straight line हमारा खत्म हो रहा है. अब नई कोई इंफॉर्मेशन हमें नहीं देनी है, except one formula is left, that is the perpendicular distance formula. उसके बाद हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, straight line will be over, and then I want that NCERT you should finish out. Okay, so we are ending the question today.